Welcome back. In this video, we are exploring how artificial intelligence revolutionized the place aspect in marketing. This key of marketing ensures products are available at the right time and the right place for consumers. We will start by looking at how traditional AI streamlines this process and then see how generative AI can push these strategies even further into the future. The first area is the supply chain optimization. Traditional AI is used to enhance the efficiency of supply chains by predicting the best routes and methods for distributing products. AI algorithms analyze factors such as traffic patterns, weather conditions, and delivery times to optimize shipping routes and warehouse operations. This minimizes delivery times and reduces costs, ensuring products are available where and when they are needed. For example, Amazon uses traditional AI to make its supply chain highly efficient and reliable. The AI analyzes a vast amount of data, such as order locations, warehouse inventories, shipping routes, and even weather conditions to figure out the quickest and most cost-effective way to deliver packages. For instance, if a customer orders a product that's available in multiple warehouses, the AI determines which warehouse can ship it the fastest while minimizing shipping costs. This level of optimization ensures that Amazon can consistently meet its delivery promises like next day or same day shipping while keeping operational costs under control. Additionally, traditional AI helps Amazon coordinate the movement of its delivery trucks and partner carriers to reduce delays. By monitoring traffic patterns and predicting potential disruptions such as road closures or weather events, the system can recommend alternate routes or reschedule deliveries to maintain efficiency. This real-time decision-making allows Amazon to minimize delivery errors and delays, ensuring customer satisfaction while reducing unnecessary expenses in fuel and labor. Through these strategies, traditional AI plays a vital role in keeping Amazon's supply chain one of the most advanced and reliable in the world. Generative AI, on the other hand, could significantly enhance Amazon's supply chain by moving beyond traditional AI's reactive capabilities to provide proactive and predictive solutions. For instance, if generative AI identifies a potential strike at a major shipping port weeks in advance, it could simulate the impact on delivery schedules and suggest alternative strategies. This might include rerouting shipments to less affected ports, reallocating inventory across regional warehouses, or even temporarily prioritizing certain products to meet demand in critical areas. Traditional AI could typically respond only after the disruption occurs, but generative AI allows Amazon to act earlier, avoiding delays and maintaining customer satisfaction. Moreover, generative AI can help Amazon prepare for more complex and unforeseen disruptions by simulating various what-if scenarios. For example, if there's a predicted weather pattern that could cause severe storms in a specific region, generative AI could model the best response by shifting inventory to warehouses in unaffected areas or suggesting alternative shipping routes before the storm hits. Additionally, it could evaluate the economic impacts of these disruptions and balance cost efficiency with timely deliveries, ensuring smooth operations even under challenging conditions. This level of foresight and adaptability gives Amazon a significant advantage, making its supply chain more resilient and capable of handling future uncertainties far better than traditional AI. The second area is inventory management. Traditional AI helps retailers and manufacturers manage inventory more effectively by predicting demand for products at different times and locations. By analyzing sales data, market trend, and seasonal influences, AI can forecast stock levels needed to meet customer demand without overstocking or understocking. For example, Walmart used traditional AI to effectively manage its inventory across a vast network of stores and warehouses. The AI system analyzed historical sales data, seasonal trends, and customer purchasing behavior to predict demand for various products. For instance, during the holiday season, the AI might forecast increased demand for toys, decorations, and gift items. Based on this analysis, Walmart can ensure that these high-demand items are adequately stocked in stores and distribution centers well in advance. This process helps Walmart avoid situations where shelves are empty during critical sales periods, ensuring customer satisfaction and maximizing revenue. In addition to predicting demand, the traditional AI also helps Walmart prevent overstocking, which can lead to wasted resources and higher storage costs. For instance, after analyzing trends, the AI may identify that certain seasonal products, like winter apparel, sells less after mid-January. Walmart can then adjust its purchasing and shipping schedules to reduce excess stocks in stores as the season winds down. By balancing supply with anticipated demand, Walmart's traditional AI ensures that inventory levels are optimized across global operations, reducing waste and improve operational efficiency. This approach allows Walmart to maintain its reputation for affordability while keeping its supply chain lean and responsive. Generative AI, on the other hand, can go beyond traditional AI by not just forecasting demand based on historical data, but also proactively tailoring inventory needs for individual stores in response to localized events and real-time trends. For example, if generative AI detects that a local sports team has advanced to a championship game, it could predict a sudden increase in demand for team-branded merchandise such as jerseys, caps, and accessories. Unlike traditional AI, which typically reacts to historical sales patterns after the fact, generative AI can simulate the potential impact of this event ahead of time and recommend boosting inventory levels in nearby stores. This proactive approach ensures the retailer capture sales opportunities during time-sensitive events while minimizing missed revenue from stock shortages. Moreover, generative AI can adapt to shifts in consumer behavior caused by broader market trends or unexpected disruptions. For instance, if a viral social media trend suddenly drives interest in particular product categories, such as eco-friendly reusable water bottles, generative AI could analyze the trend's trajectory and predict which stores are likely to see the highest demand. It may also factor in local demographics or weather conditions such as increased demand in warmer regions. This ability to anticipate demand with precision allows companies to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring that popular items are available where they are needed most, giving the company a competitive edge that traditional AI cannot provide. The third area is store layout optimization. Retailers use traditional AI to analyze customer foot traffic and buying patterns to optimize the layout of stores. AI tools can identify hotspots where customers spend the most time and which paths they take through a store. This information helps in arranging products in a way that maximizes exposure to high-demand items and enhances the overall shopping experience. Let's take a look at the example of Home Depot. Home Depot uses traditional AI to study how customers move through their stores and where they spend the most time. The AI analyzes patterns like which aisles are busiest and which sections people tend to avoid. For example, during spring, the AI might notice that many customers head straight to the gardening section. Based on this insight, Home Depot can arrange products like fertilizers, tools, and outdoor furniture near the entrance to make them easier to find and encourage more purchases. The AI also looks at how customers often buy together. For instance, if people buying paint frequently search for brushes or rollers, the store can place this item nearby to save time for shoppers and increase sales. Additionally, if the AI finds that certain aisles are less visited, Home Depot can rearrange those areas to make them more appealing. This approach helps create better shopping experience and ensures products are placed where customers are most likely to see and buy them. Generative AI, on the other hand, can take store layout optimization at Home Depot to the next level by not only analyzing the past data, but also predicting and simulating future customer behaviors. For example, if a new DIY trend starts gaining traction online, generative AI could model how shoppers might move through the store looking for materials and tools related to that trend. It could then recommend rearranging displays to group relevant items together, making it easier for customers to find everything they need in one area. This proactive adjustment can boost sales by capitalizing on the trend before it peaks, ensuring that Home Depot stays ahead of customer expectations. Additionally, generative AI could provide real-time recommendations for store layouts during major events or sales. For instance, if a weekend sales is expected to draw a large crowd, the AI could simulate how customers might navigate the store under those conditions and suggest temporary changes to minimize congestion and improve the flow of foot traffic. It could also identify potential bottlenecks and suggest placing high-demand items in more accessible areas to maximize customer satisfaction and efficiency. By adapting layouts dramatically, generative AI ensures that Home Depot stores are always optimized for both customer convenience and sales opportunities. The last area we will discuss in this video is location selection for new stores. Traditional AI algorithms can analyze demographic data, economic trends, and competitor locations to help businesses choose optimal locations for new stores. This includes assessing the potential customer base, predicting profitability, and understanding regional market dynamics, ensuring new stores are positioned to succeed from the start. Starbucks uses traditional AI to carefully select new store locations by analyzing a range of factors that contribute to a store's success. The AI evaluates data such as customer density in the area, ensuring there is sufficient population to support a business. For example, it identifies high-traffic areas like busy urban centers or bustling suburban neighborhoods where potential customers are likely to frequent. Additionally, the AI looks at demographic factors such as local income levels, helping Starbucks determine if the target audience has the purchasing power to support their premium coffee offerings. By assessing these factors, the AI ensures that new locations are placed where demand is strong and customer footfall is high. Beyond demographic analysis, traditional AI also helps Starbucks understand the competitive landscape. AI examines the proximity of competitors such as other coffee shops or similar fast casual dining establishments to determine whether the area can support another Starbucks location. For example, if a competitor is already well established in a particular neighborhood, the AI might recommend placing a new store slightly further away to avoid direct competition and maximize market coverage. By integrating all these data points, Starbucks can make well-informed decisions about where to open new stores, ensuring that each location has the best chance of long-term profitability and customer success. Generative AI, on the other hand, can take location selection for Starbucks to the next level by not only analyzing current data, but also forecasting future changes in urban development, consumer behavior, and market trends. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on existing demographics and competitor analysis, generative AI can simulate how an area might evolve over time. For instance, if it identifies a planned residential development or infrastructure project, such as a new train station, it could predict an increase in foot traffic and population density before the development is completed. Based on this foresight, generative AI might recommend opening a Starbucks stores in that area earlier, allowing the company to establish itself as the go-to coffee destination before competitors even consider the location. Moreover, generative AI can anticipate shifts in consumer preferences that might influence the success of store in a particular area. For example, if generative AI detects an increased interest in sustainable and locally sourced products among consumers in a certain neighborhood, it could suggest that Starbucks adapt its store offering to match these preferences. This might include incorporating more eco-friendly design elements or emphasizing ethically sourced coffee in marketing campaigns for that location. By providing these forward-looking insights, generative AI enables Starbucks to not only select better store locations, but also tailor its approaches to meet future customer expectations, giving the company a significant advantage over strategies based solely on traditional AI. So far, we have covered the key questions about how traditional AI and generative AI impact the 4 Ps of marketing, product, place, promotion, and price. AI isn't just changing how businesses operate, it's also transforming consumer behavior. In the next video, we will dive into how AI is shaping the way consumers behave. See you there.